I'm trying to utilize a silver bullet entry right here, utilizing what we have right there. Hopefully, let me go to this chart, because remember what I said about, yes, let's just utilizing what we have here, entry on a 5-minute, but we even accommodate this one right here. Entry should be here. We said, remember we said entry on a 5 minutes, but below, allow me to remove this below the 50%. Let me see the stop loss. Where is it? The stop loss, it's 16,092. 16,092 should be the stop loss. 16,092. No, this is far. Why 16,092? This is wrong, guys. Oh, 5 minutes. Why am I using 1 minute? The stop loss should be even here. It's 1:1.8. It's fine. As long as the the trade itself is protected. Just put below, of which is here 1586. 1586. Let me put it exactly 1586. Right there. And I want to modify the TP. Guys, if you know, please comment. If you know how on a trade of weight, just like a paper trade, how to just hop. If you know on a trade at weight, how to just hop for the TP or the stop loss, please let me know, guys. This is here. Now we're suffering the drawdown. This is 1:1.2, of which we are not willing to go for. According to the ideal trade here, it's 1:2, at least 50 consequent encouragement, but you know me. Let me just hold for the consequent encouragement. Did we come here? But you know me. Okay. Let's just hold for the consequent encouragement for argument's sake. So that it can be 1:2. Beautiful 2. But anything can happen to a trade. So ideally there I'm in profit, because that is an ideal entry. But here I suffered to enter. So I will keep on, by the stop losses. Okay, consequent encouragement. What is the price for TP there? It's 16 what? 16,131. 16,131. 16,131 or 16,130. 16,131, somewhere around here. So I'm hoping for this, whatever is it that we see here. This is an ideal one. I don't like the ideal one. I like this one. No, I don't like the trade one. I like the ideal one. Because there I'm late. I entered somewhere there. I know I should put it here, but This is the ideal way of me having to come and enter. If I put a limit orders, this is how I should even run to. Closest hanging fruit, guys. After price has taken out this high, no one is forced. If the price goes against you, remember we had a fair value gap. If after price takes out this high and take us out, you do not blame the price. The closest hanging fruit, the what is this? The setup played out. I mean to say, the setup played out. So on a drawdown part, I'll give myself this one. Guys, I will leave this and I will cut it when I come back. I will leave this to play out and I will move out for a while. I will cut out this thing and I guess it will be long gone finished. Then I will cut the part that the trade plays out or run to a loss. Then I post it for you. But I will leave this and then I will just have to catch the closest hanging fruit. Let me see. But I don't have to, since I'm even moving, I don't have to even choke any other trade. If it goes to the area that I want to, it's still fine. If it doesn't go to, it's still fine. But I would love it to go to this area before anything and everything. So guys, see you on the next video. Let me officially close this, but I'm leaving the trade for you. Thank you. Okay, guys, I am back. I am back. Let's see what's happening. If it was me, 1 is to 1.3. Let's see if we can be able to go out there. Just because I cannot hold, guys, I told you that if price comes here, just because I cannot take out anything else, I will just have to be out of here and leave the trade out. I'm preparing the back. If I had zero point 0.2, I've been thinking about this as I was coming back. My reasons, I didn't just go out. Here are the reasons. And close this. I hope this, guys, serves you very well. I take out this high. Price took out this high. I'm targeting this, like I said. You knew before we left here. The target was not even 1.5. Wow. Um, the target was here. Remember, we said we got in late. This is the ideal time frame that I wanted to utilize. This is the ideal time frame that I said I want to utilize. I rather watch the price go to my TP but secure the back. As long as I secured the most. This is according to the ideal TP. I took out 1 is to close to 1 is to 4 5. But I'm not, guys. Listen to this. The liquidity can be rated like this without having to come to the. It's not fear what I'm saying. Without even having to come to the fair value gap and go down just to tap into another fair value gap to come into that fair value gap. So as long as one of the things happened, I am glad of what I did. We'll just have to watch the ideal entry happens and then went to the TP the way it's supposed to. But guys, if you've been watching the previous video, please, this is the continuation. If you've been watching the previous video, you will, how can I put this? You will see what I did. If you watch the previous video, you will see how I came out with these setups and how I am willing to hold on into those setups. You see what it does, but for this one, I'm not scared. It will just walk through that if it does. But price can do this and go back down and below. This called a liquidity sweep. This can be a liquidity sweep for this right here, for price to go low and close. But we'll watch this until it closes before I close this video, guys. This was the ICT. Let me annotate for those who were late, who did not know why we took out this. Let's write this down. This is an ICT PM. Oh, sorry. This is the ICT's PM Silver Bullet. This is the ICT PM Silver Bullet. It's 14. Let me go to 12. Okay, it's fine. This is the ICT Silver Bullet. The PM session. What is happening right here, guys? What is happening? You can see I lost that momentum. Is the reason why I don't want to spend a lot of time here. I absorbed, even if I went in with this, I absorbed these drawdowns. Even if you were waiting for this, let's see the low. Price might not have came into this fair value gap. Let's see the low here. The low is 92 and 3/4. So it should be 92 below 3/4. This is 92 and 3/4. Exactly the point how it moved. This is what ICT like to, when he likes to say, it's not by mistake that the price does this. Just at the tip and it went up. So target should be this. How far can it go? It can go this, but this was the target. This is what we call a buy side liquidity. This is a buy side liquidity, of which was the target. If you are lost, guys, you go back to that video, the previous video. You will see when I explained why I like to do this, because this is the high. Okay, let me remove this from the top. It's okay. Let me put it to left. Let's change this into some visible color. And then let's make it a little bit visible. Of course, buy side liquidity, of which was the target. The target was hit, but how far? This was the target. How far? This is how far it could go after hitting the target, or inside the consequent encouragement. But the target was hit. As much as it went in here, I told you guys, after hitting this high, if price goes anyway, know that the target is hit. The target is hit. So this is how far it could go. Without wasting any time, let's just go. We have how long? We have like less than 4 minutes for this. And remember, it can even play out up to lunch. Up to lunch, when you get the AM silver bullet. This one we're just running into the close soon. So like I told you, I wanted it to run into this, and then maybe I would take a sell, but it's a low probability. I told you about that one. So this is what it can happen. This can happen. We can have a fair value gap below. It's moving above, below, and you said you enter. You found out that this order block protects for price to come in here. So after this one, you have done the most. You do not want to stay into the market, guys. This is the, like, how do I put this? This is a proof that whatever ICT had taught us, it's in work. And I'm not trying to promote. I am promoting him, but I am not trying to promote him because as you can see, I don't have those much followers to promote him as if like to get something out of that. I'm promoting him because he gave me this. I'm doing that because he gave me this, and I'm telling you guys, I'm doing this because he gave me this, and I'll always be grateful for that. So we have less than 2 minutes. Let's go after 7 minutes. Let's wait for this candle right here to close, the next candle to close. I just want to see what will the market do. But remember, guys, okay, this is not a demo. Oh, what is this? This is not a screenshot. I mean to say. This. Oh, where should we go? Oh, here. This is not a screenshot, guys. We just. Is the one with of it? Yes. This is not a screenshot. We just happen to wait for a trade to come in there. Caught it late, and then as it moved above, we went out. Is the reason why I'm saying this is not an ideal, because on an ideal one we went in here, but on this one, because we were late, it's a live one, we went in somewhere where we went in here. We were supposed to go in here on this candle. As it come to this fair value gap, then we went in there. So without wasting any time, guys, let me just see you on the next video. I just cannot hold for the next one. We just left with 4 seconds. Okay, let's see that one. If it pulls to TP, then we close the video. But you saw, guys, look at this drawdown. It just hit the TP. I cannot stand to absorb such drawdowns. It can even went to the stop loss sometimes. So while waiting for price to come in here, but this being the target, this is the main target. This being how far the price can go if it goes to the target. Whatever that is happening here, I'm okay absorbing it. I mean to say. This right here. So guys, without wasting any time, let me just see you on the next video. You will watch this on your own and see what happened on the silver bullet PM session of the 8th of December 2023 after NFP. Plus, it was an NFP, so expect price to do whatever it does.